Okay guys, so I want to do this video real quick and kind of show you an issue that I've run across, and this is not a new issue. This has actually come up several times, but it's an easy fix. But let me show it to you. If I mouse over down here, you can actually see all those blocks beneath the main text. That is supposed to be text in itself. Those are supposed to be words. But you do get this once in a great while after an update. You can get something like this. This is not the first time I've gotten this, so that's why I'm doing a video on it. Anyway, let me show you how to fix this because it's not hard. Go over here to your application launcher, and then you can see under favorites, I've got mine set, the system settings in my favorites, but if you don't, it's not a big deal. Come over here to applications, come down to settings, click on settings, then click on system settings, okay? And this, yep, it opened in my other monitor. Let me pull that over. Okay, then you're going to come over here to font, okay? Click on font and it'll open up this window for you. Now, the issue is sans serif. Okay, that's the one that the issue that I'm having with right now. Might be different for you, but if you're running into the same problem, the fix is the same. So what I want to do is I want to change, because this is sans serif is my default font. So I want to change my default font. So I'm going to go over here to adjust all fonts, click on that, and then it'll open up this window. Come up here to font, check the box, okay, and now I can choose a new default font. Now here's what I'll tell you about monospace. Okay, monospace will typically work across the board for this issue. At least that's been my experience. It's really not my first choice. As a matter of fact, it's my last choice, because using monospace typically, it seems to me that it messes with the sizes. It makes everything really small, for me anyway. So I typically stay away from monospace, but like I said, use it as a method of last resort if you have to. Okay. Other than that, you know, choose something different. I think the last time I ran into this issue, I was using Deja Vu Sans. That may or may not work. I guess we can try it. Let me go ahead and click OK, and you'll see how it changed all my fonts to Deja Vu. I'm going to click Apply. I'm going to go down here, mouse over, and see the blocks are still there. So apparently the issue is still resides with Deja Vu. So that didn't work. So let me go over here, and I'm going to pick the one that I know that works, and that is the free font right here, Free Sans. I know that's going to work. So I'm going to click OK with that. That's now my default font. I click Apply. Now it's changed it. And if I go down here and I mouse over it, voila, there it is. And no more blocks, and I've got my text back. Okay, so that's how you fix it, guys. Here's the other thing with the adjust all fonts. If you're doing an initial customization, or you're playing around with new fonts or whatever, but the sizes aren't right, you can also use this to adjust your sizes across the board. Okay, but what this will do is this will adjust all of these. Okay, and you'll notice that I have my window title just a little bit bigger than everything else. And what this will do is, by setting your font size, it's going to change every one of these. Okay, and then you'll have to go down here. If you do it like I do, you'll have to do your window title individually, which is fine. But this definitely saves you a lot of time. You don't have to go through each one of these unless you want to. You know, that's entirely up to you. But that's that, and I'm not going to do that because I really like it the way it is right now. So that being said, that's all I had for you guys. Hopefully that helps out with this issue if you run into it before. Do me a favor and please like and subscribe. Oh, and by the way, for those of you that really like this wallpaper, I've put it up at my website, BahamutOS.com, for download, so that you can actually download this and put it on your computer if you want. You will have to register. I'll let you know that ahead of time. And what that's going to do is give you access to the download page where you can get it. Not a big deal. It's free. It doesn't cost anything. But if you're wanting that, go ahead and get it there. So we'll see you at BahamutOS.com. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on future videos. Thanks a lot, guys.